What if your laptop can become a 24/7 storefront? What if the knowledge you take for granted, the routines you've perfected, or even the simple solutions you figured out can be packaged into a digital access that pays you while you sleep? And the biggest secret, you don't even need 1 million followers, you don't need to be an influencer. In 2026, the game has changed. The most profitable digital business starts in silence, solving one specific problem for one specific person. Listen, I've sold many digital products, not complex software, not some mysterious schemes, simple, valuable guides, templates, and courses. And I started with zero audience, just like you might have right now. So today, I'm handling you the complete 2026 beginner's blueprint. We will find your perfect product hidden in your own skills, create it professionally for free, build your own online store in under 5 minutes, and drive traffic with zero budget. And as a bonus, I'm giving you a ready-to-sell digital product to launch with today. And this is the masterclass you've been waiting for. First, let's simplify. A digital product is an online asset that solves a problem or fulfills a desire. Its values delivered instantly. Ebooks and PDF guides, online courses, printable planners, recipe books, design templates, the list is endless. But the core of every single successful product is not fancy marketing. It's undeniably value. You are trading your insight, your organization, your skill for someone's time and money. You help them get a result, feel a certain way, or solve a headache. Remember this, you are not selling a PDF. You are selling clarity for a confused beginner. You are not selling a template. You are selling time and professional results for someone who feels stuck. Frame it as value and the sales follow. Your first product isn't out there in some crowded marketplace. It's in your daily life. We are doing a skill scan. Pause this video, open your notes apps. Number 1, what do you do in your spare time? Organizing, gaming, researching, skincare? Or number 2, what do people always ask you for help with? Like budgeting, cooking, tech advice? Number 3, what's a problem you recently solved for yourself? Your answers are gold. If you are the kind of friend who plans amazing trips, then travel planning checklist PDF is yours. Did you master a specific TikTok editing style? Then short form video editing toolkit is yours. Do you make a killer homemade chin-chin? Family recipe book with pro tips. Your experience is your authority. You don't need a certificate. You just need to have walked the path one step ahead of your customer. Now let's turn that idea into a beautiful sellable asset. This is where the magic happens. Forget expensive designers or complex software. For 99% of digital products, your creation studio is Canva. It's free, it's intuitive, and it has thousands of professional templates. This is not a design lesson. This is a production line. Look at this abundance. Every single template you see is a starting point for a product that can sell. Click on one that matches your vibe. Let's choose this clean, modern one. Now, we don't start from a blank page. We start from 90% done. Your job is to customize, not create from scratch. Change the text to your content. Swap the images. Use the Elements tab to find free photos, icons, or graphics. Change the color palette under styles to match your brand. In under 30 minutes, you can have a professional 20-page PDF guide ready. But because I want you to take the action today, I'm giving you a head start. I've created a high-value, customizable, short-form content mastery guide. It's a complete PDF that teaches beginners how to create viral videos. The link is in the description. It's free for you to use today and sell. Here it is. To make it yours, do these 3 things. Change the cover image, delete the current one. Find a new content creation photo in Element. Personalize the branding. Go to styles and change the color scheme to your favorite colors. Add your voice, read through it, and tweak a few sentences. Add a personal tip or story. This is your product. Once customized, you click share, then download, PDF print. It's now a file on your computer, ready to be sold. But we need a storefront, and we'll build it faster than you can make Indomie. You need your own website, a place you own and control. This is not negotiable for long-term success. And in 2026, you don't code it, you command it with AI. I use Hostinger. Their AI builder is a game changer. You describe your business and it builds your site. Click my link below. I've got a special deal for you. The key is the description. Be specific. Don't just say, I sell digital products. Tell the AI, a website selling a digital guide on creating short-form content for TikTok and Instagram. For beginners who want to grow their business online, modern, clean, and trustworthy design. Look at that, a professional storefront. Now go to the editor. This is a drag and drop playground. Change text, upload your product mockup image, adjust colors under website styles, add your product to the shop section, set the price, connect your payment details like Paystack or Flutterwave for Naija customers. Your store is live. You own it. 100% of the profits come to you. No middlemen. Now the final piece, getting customers to this beautiful store without a following. Marketing is not about shouting to millions, it's about whispering the right answer to the person actively searching for it. We have two powerful free strategies. Strategy number 1, Pinterest, the silent hunter. Pinterest is not a social media, it's a visual search engine. People go there for ideas and solutions. Create a stunning pin in Canva. Use your ebook mockup, add a compelling title, and if you are struggling with TikTok, then get my 3-step formula. Use keywords in the description. Short form content, beginner guide, grow on TikTok. Post 3-5 pins like this per week. Each pin is a tiny billboard that lasts forever, driving free targeted traffic to your store while you sleep. Strategy number 2, value first content, the trust builder. If you are willing to be on camera, this is a rocket fuel. But you don't need to be an influencer, you just need to be a helpful teacher. Create 60-second videos that solve a micro problem related to your product. If you are selling a cooking guide, post a 1 kitchen hack you didn't know video. The caption says full recipe and 10 more hacks in my guide. Link in the bio. You provide value first, then offer the deeper solution. The key is consistency in one niche. Don't post about cooking today and crypto tomorrow. Become the go-to person for one thing. The algorithm will reward you with the right audience. Now let's connect the dots. Your skill became a product in Canva. Your product found a home on AI-built website, and a free marketing on Pinterest and TikTok is sending customers to your door. This is a real business, not a hustle, an asset. Your first sale will feel electric. Your first $1,000 will change your mindset about what's possible. The digital economy isn't coming. It's right here. It's not reserved for tech genesis in Lagos. It's for the planner in Ibadan, the home cook in Enugu, and the organized student in Abuja. Your knowledge has value. Package it, share it, get paid for it. The links are below. Canva, Osinja Deal, and your free product template. Start your skills scan right now. Your future customers are waiting for you. Whatever you do, never stop making money. Listen up, let me hit you with the truth. Starting a YouTube channel is easy, but building a viral YouTube channel, that one is a whole different ballgame. And that's exactly why I created the Viral Channel Mastery course, to turn you from just another new YouTuber into a confident creator with a channel that actually grows. If you've ever uploaded a video and the only people who watch it were your friends, your mom, and maybe your neighbor's dog, then you need this course ASAP. By the way, if you're wondering who I am and why you should even listen to me, my name is Sulaiman Gafar Olawale. I'm the founder of Olawap Media, a YouTube channel focused on business growth and how to make money online. I launched my channel in December 2022, and today it has grown into a channel with millions of views and thousands of subscribers. But before YouTube, I was already running my digital agency, helping businesses and individuals skyrocket their results with services like digital marketing, web design, video editing, and consultation. You name it. In short, I've been in the trenches. I know what works, and now I'm bringing all of that experience here for you. In this course, I'm giving you the step-by-step blueprint I wish I had when I started. We'll cover everything from creating and branding your channel to scripting like a pro, presenting on camera without sweating, editing videos that pop, designing click-worthy thumbnails, and even cracking the YouTube algorithm so it becomes your best friend. And here's the sweet part. Every module comes with free resources and quick tests to make sure you actually understand and you are not just nodding like a lizard. But let me warn you, the wrong mindset will kill your YouTube dream before you even begin. If you are coming with that let me blow in 2 weeks mentality, I beg, this course is not magic. What you need is patience, consistency, and strategy. If you bring that mindset, I promise this course will pay you back big time. You are going to learn how to set up a professional looking channel that screams wow, this is legit. Write scripts that hook people and keep them glued. Present like it is natural to you, even if all you have is your bedroom light. Edit raw clips into polished videos people can't stop watching. Design thumbnails and titles that work like your own 24/7 salesman. Grow using YouTube SEO, social media hacks, and even my secret platform for safe promotion. And of course, monetize like a pro and turn your channel into a real brand that lasts. So if you're ready to finally stop guessing and start building a channel that grows, don't waste another second. Click the enroll button down below right now and let's dive straight into module 1. This is not just another YouTube tutorial, it's viral channel mastery. Let's make your channel the one people can't stop watching. See you inside.